In a bustling city apartment, a simple switch to refillable cleaning products cuts plastic waste and saves money. The video then shows swapping to a programmable thermostat and LED lighting to reduce energy bills and carbon footprint. Next, it illustrates meal planning to curb food waste, composting, and buying imperfect produce from local markets. Viewers learn to repair rather than replace small appliances, and to donate or swap items with neighbors to extend life. The closing encourages starting today with one change, tracking impact, and inspiring others through everyday sustainable choices.